My name is Chris Holcomb, and my company is RevUp Detroit. Some people don't realize how beautiful the homes in Detroit really are. They are affordable and essentially perfect for first-time home buyers. The Detroit comeback has started, which makes it an exciting time to live here. RevUp Detroit is unique because we walk you through an easy process to get you started owning a home in no time. The homes we have available for sale go through an entire makeover process that includes standard home improvements and brand new upgrades. We help you understand credit, what you need for assets, and we partner with some of the best lenders to customize a game plan for you. We are passionate about helping as many families as possible secure a home. RevUp Detroit, let's accelerate your home ownership.